Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today this video I'm going to show you how to add video inside the text in Davinci Resolve. Here I'm using version 19. For you guys, you can use any version you want. Here on this timeline I have the video which I'm gonna use. Let me first delete this audio because it is not necessary to me, so I have to mute this video and then I have to delete this audio. Guys, I'm gonna use this footage if it is the first time for using this Davinci Resolve, and I'm going to show you how I import this clip. So just you go here on this file and then you go here on import and then you choose media and then you browse where your clip it is, and then after choosing your clip and then you come back here for this media pool is where your clip is located, and then you move it here on this timeline. That's all. Okay, so now let's go on this video in text effect. You have to move this layer above and then I'm going to add my text. So now you go here on this effect. Yeah, this is where the effect is. So let me close this media pool. This is the effect, and then you open up this toolbox and then you go here on this title, and here there is more kinds of title, okay, you can use. So now I'm going to use this basic title. Okay, so now I have to move this basic title down on the bottom of this text, okay, and then you have to extend will be matched with this video layer. Okay, so now and I'm going to disable this video. You have to click on this text layer and then you go here on text. Guys, when you don't see this text, you can just make sure this inspector is open. Okay, so now you have to open this inspector. So now here I'm going to text I want. Okay, for example, let me type film, something like this. Okay, and then here you're gonna choose the font. Here there is more font you can use, guys. There's more font. Okay, so let me use this one. That's okay, and I have to scale it something like this. Yeah, this is nice. Now this word is fitting well in this frame. Okay, this word is fitting well in this frame. So now the things I have to do, and I'm going back here to enable this video, and then I have to select on this video layer. So I have to go here on this composite. I move down and then I have to go here on this composite. So select on this video layer and then you have to come here on this composite mode, and then you have to choose from normal up to foreign background. Okay, you have to choose like this, and then select this text layer and then you go here on this setting, and I'm going to choose to composite. Okay, from normal up to alpha. Where is alpha? Yes, this alpha. Guys, you see how the things is. That's all. So when you pray, guys, you see now the video is going inside to your text. Guys, for example, you cannot need like this black background. So the things you have to do, let me add the video. Okay, so let me move this text and this video layer up because I just want to add video background here, and let me go to file, import media, and then here, and I'm going to add my background, for example. So let me choose this video. Okay, so then you have to go here on this media pool. This is your video. So now you have to move it down here, and now you see how your clip is, guys. So when you pray, you see what you get. So guys, now we're gonna see how to use this effect as transition. Okay, so now you see this video which is inside in my text. I just want to animate this text and then going through this video inside of this text. So the things you have to do is this. I have to extend this video which is inside on this text. Okay, so I have to extend like this. Okay, for example, yeah, I have to extend longer. Yes, it must be longer than this text. And then the things you have to do, you have to select on this text layer, and then I have to enable this dynamic zoom. Okay, when you pray, you see how this animation is moving. Yeah, it comes from big to small, but I don't want this animation. So the things I have to do, I have to click here on this swap. Okay, so when you click on this swap, you see this text is coming from small up to big, but it comes slow because I just want to come closer until I get on this video which is inside on this text. So the things I have to do, and I'm going to create on this icon, okay, because I just want to do it as manual mode. Okay, I have to click here on this transform, and then you click here on this dynamic zoom. Guys, when you see here there is the green line and blue line. So for this green line is where my zoom will be started, and then for this red one it's where my zoom will be ended. So the things I have to do, I have to move, I have to click on this point, okay, and I have to move it where my video will be ended. Okay, so let me use this L. Either you can put this on this M like this, on this F, I, for example. So I just want me to put here on this L1, okay, something like this, guys. Okay, so and then when I pray, so now you see how this clip is coming. So it will goes until it will reach on this clip which is inside of the text. This is how you can do it. Even the reason why it is going slow, because my text, it is too long. When I try to decrease something like this, okay, so you see it will comes fast as possible. It's depend how your text is long on this timeline. If you want your transition comes too fast, you can just decrease the duration, and then you see how the things is. Okay, for example, this is my first clip, okay, which is here on the bottom one, and then when I pray, you see I got the new, yes, you see now this is the transition of this effect. So guys, this is how you can create this effect video inside the text in Davinci Resolve. Either you can use it for typing anything you want, or you can use it as transition. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below, and let me know what you think. See you in next video. Peace.